across a nice coat. Sweet is not so sweet if there is no sour. How true. Let's talk about a very sour fruit of the tropical and subtropical regions of India. It's the Karonda, or as it is sometimes called, the Indian cranberry. Karonda is a fruit that belongs to the berry family, often confused with cranberries, which are used to make jams and consumed as drinks. Karondas are popularly used to make spicy pickles in India. Karonda is believed to have originated in the Himalayas. Karonda, however, grows in places with high temperatures. The fruits are used for canning, preserving and pickling and are plucked depending upon the purpose. It takes quite an effort to pick them as well due to its prickly nature. It is a perennial evergreen plant. It usually grows as a shrub, but in some cases it may develop into a small tree. We've attempted them in pots and in the ground as well. Look at these hardy shrubs. They are easy to grow and usually have white flowers which shall soon show up in springtime. It grows best in full sunlight but will also tolerate semi-shade. It is comfortable with most soils as long as the soil is well drained. Overall, it is a hardy, drought-tolerant plant that thrives well in a wide range of soils. In its raw state, the fruit has a sour and acidic taste and is white and pink in color. When it ripens further, it gets sweeter and deep red. But even otherwise, the fruit is much desired for its culinary application. In the Indian subcontinent, it is used to make chutneys, pickles, sometimes as a substitute for cranberry, given their similar taste and texture. It is also used as a berry substitute in tarts and pies. It has several health benefits as well. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons given below. Please learn some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Please visit Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now and keep watching for more to come.